Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to correctly use Framer templates. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open your browser, then search for Framer and go to their official website. Once you are in the website, now you should navigate to this section right here, resources, then click on marketplace, and here you will find the templates. Now, here you should be careful because there are some templates that are free, like this one right here. Here, as you can see, I can see the free text right here. Or you may find some paid templates, like this one right here. It will cost you $79, and this one will cost you $20. So you can also click on all templates on the top right here. You can just click on it, and you can also use some filters by clicking on this icon right here and choose free or paid versions. You can also click on this option in order to see the most recent, the remixed, the popular, and so on. Now I will choose any one of these templates. I'm going to choose this one here, for example. Then here, as you can see, I can simply see all the project. And when you scroll down, you will see all about the project. You will see the color styles, the animations, and more from the same designer of this template, more from Andrea Montani. Now, when I go up again and click on this button right here, used for free, you'll just have to click on it, then continue with email or continue with Google. So now once you click on continue, now you can simply click on copy project to my account. And by this way, they will take a copy from this project and give it to you on your account. And you can do some small modifications to this project in order to fit with you. So here, as you can see, I have the project. I can now zoom in by clicking on Control plus the plus button or Control plus the minus button in order to do zoom in, or you can simply use it from this area right here. You can simply use the buttons right here. You can also change the theme. You can make it night theme, for example, the black theme like this one right here. And you can also use the hand tool in order to, navigate or move inside your template. And this is the move tool on the bottom. And here on the left, you have some options like pages, sections, navigation, menus, and so on. And we'll discuss some of them right now. Now, let's say that you want to change something in this template. You can simply just click on the text right here. And by this way, you can create anything that you want. My website, for example, you can type anything. You can also rotate it or even move it. And let's say that you want to also move any object. You can just click on the move tool or the select tool, then move it just like this. And you can also delete it by clicking on the delete button. And here on the left, you can see some tutorial, try the template, or even start with Figma. And you can also get the desktop app by clicking on install right here. Now, I want to change some things here in the template, like this color of this button right here. I'm gonna just select it. Then here, as you can see on the right, you will see the button right here, and you will see its color. You can simply click on this button, then click on the fill, and now you can change the color of the button itself. I'm gonna make it this color, for example. And you can also change the text itself, or even the color of the text itself. You can also change the color of this bar right here just in order to make it more attractive. You can go back by clicking on this arrow. You can also add a shadow if you want. As you can see, it cannot be visible, but it's here just right here. You can add the shadow. You can even do some effects for the button or anything that you have inside your template. You can also change the opacity. As you can see, you can make it more opaque, and you can also change the type of font also. You just have to click on this option right here and choose any font that you can simply find it suitable for you. This text is being changed right now, as you can see. You can also get some custom fonts from here. You have the web fonts and the custom fonts. You can also use some effects for the size. For example, you can change the alignment and the weight of the font if you want it bold, italic, and so on. So in fact, to learn all things, you have to do it yourself. You don't have just to watch a tutorial, you have to do it yourself. Now here, as you can see, you have the layers pages on the left side. You have the layers, you have the assets. You can add some links, you can add a button. I will go back to the home page. You can also insert some things by clicking on this option right here, and you can insert something like the time and date right here. You can just simply drag it. And here, as you can see, I have dragged it right here. It is here on the top. You can now use it. You can change its place and so on. And here you will find the settings on the right. You can make it for the date or for the time. You can also adjust some things like hiding the day, for example, or even hiding the month. And when you'll go back to insert, you have here more things like the forms, the icons. You can simply add some emojis or even some shapes right here, like this one. You can also change the layout or add some plugins like this one right here. You can simply search for any plugin, then add it to your template. You can even add media by clicking on insert, then go to media right here and choose video, image, or GIF and so on. You can add social like Google Map, your Instagram or Facebook account. And once you finish your template, you can simply click on publish right here. Then it will show these two options. It will be sent on a default domain. You can simply click on add domain right here. Then it will show you this page. You can now go to plans, then choose any suitable plan for you and click on add site plan. And by this way, you will upgrade it from unpaid version to paid version with a subscription. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, leave us a good comment down below, share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new tutorial.